Hello friends, today I will briefly explain to you how to make a weekly planner design. At first, we create our design area to be suitable for printing in A4 format by saying Create New File. Make sure it is CMYK. After creating our design space, we open our browser and go to the FreePic site. Here we can easily find the materials we want. I find various elements by typing watercolor here. You can also type watercolor or download the ones you like from monochrome shapes such as purple watercolor. Open the downloaded file, then we transfer it into our workspace. We take the rectangle tool from the tool panel on the left side and create a rectangle in our working size here. According to the rectangle we have created and according to our workspace, we determine where and how much the images we download will appear. Then select the rectangle we created with the images, right-click and create a clipping mask. Make sure the rectangle is on top. Translated with deepl.com free version. We take our text tool from the left side. We assign the title. Font selection is important here. Since I wanted to make the text with two different fonts, I created two text parts. I set one using a bold font and the other using a handwritten font. You can use the fonts you want and like. Finally, I made the layout. Now we are going to write down the days and we are going to settle them. For this, I take the line tool from the toolbox on the left side and draw a line myself. I place the lines so that they are to vertical and to horizontal. I contour the line and make it more prominent, so I get a table image from the lines. After creating the table, I need to place the texts in an appropriate format. Here again we take the text tool on the left side. We write the days of the week by specifying the font and font size we want. Then we place it appropriately. I am speeding up here so as not to overwhelm you. Finally, to adjust the note part, I shrink the line in the middle a little bit by directly selecting the selection tool. In this way, I adjust the area where I can write a note. Then I add the note text with my text tool. Now, we are making one last addition to improve the visual quality of the design. I search for a background suitable for the design, download a background I like, and import it into the program. I need to mask the design I am transferring according to my workspace. For this, I open a rectangle from the toolbox on the left side and give this rectangle my page size. Then I overlap the rectangle with the rectangle on top and the image I downloaded from the internet on the bottom. Then I right-click and create a clipping mask to mask it. Then I align this mask vertically and horizontally on my page from the alignment panel. And here's the design. If the video helped you, don't forget to subscribe and support me.